Hi guys, I'm Young. Now I've been using S10 Plus for about more than 24 hours. So I actually wanted to sort of give you my first impression about this phone. So my first day impression actually comes down to about 6 positive points, 1 sort of neutral point, and 2 points that I don't really like about. But I'm gonna say that at the end, so please do stay tuned. So the first point is that I love having 5 cameras on this one little phone. For S10 Plus at the rear side, we do have 3 cameras, 1 telephoto, 1 wide and 1 ultra wide. So I was actually standing 1 meter away from Tesla 3. I'm very impressed with the ultra wide angle at 123 degrees. The front facing cameras, there are 2 for S10 Plus, which means you can actually capture wider selfie and also normal selfie. The front facing camera also records at 4K. So now we do have a really good vlogging tool. The second is this bezel-less design. I mean, it's definitely a lot more futuristic. I actually come from Note 8, which is bezel-less at the side, but not at the top. So it does definitely feel like an upgrade was worthwhile. And also about the display. I mean, this is more from the Note 8 user's perspective, but this dynamic AMOLED display, and especially with this blue light filter, which existed before, it somewhat feels more like calm to the eyes. Color looks a bit toned down, but richer. I'm not sure how much you can see it on the screen on the YouTube video, but my eyes can definitely feel the difference. And having the ultrasonic fingerprint at the front, wow, it was so fast. Did you just see that? Let me show you again. So actually I want to tell you the tips about this display. I mean, at first when I actually set it up, I was very perpendicular. I actually hold it and then record it as you would use it. And the 5th point is sort of minor, but I do really like this sort of factory wrap, which I still have it on display. Sort of give a very small protection, I'm sure, and that it does not hinder with the fingerprint sensor. And of course, talking about the battery, Samsung advertised it as 24-hour battery. So far, that has been true. 4100 mAh in Galaxy S10 Plus. It totally works fine for the entire day and night, so 24 hours is not an issue. So on to 1 neutral point, this notch. Actually, I think it took me about 24 hours to get used to having this notch inside the screen. But you do get used to it. And what I like about this whole notch is, so there has been quite a lot of wallpaper where it sort of embraces, have fun with this notch. So I like that in the camera, when you actually take picture, then it actually shows this fantastic light. And finally, on to 2 points that I don't quite like about this phone. First, there are 5 cameras. The ultra wide angle camera, it's only for the photos, not for the videos. As far as I can see on the camera app, maybe if there is a software upgrade, then it may change, I really hope. But so far I can see that you can't really make use of all these different angle in the video. And the last point is about the speaker. I'm not saying speaker is bad, actually speaker is pretty good, but when you do play music, so it actually vibrates at the back. I mean, there is the Dolby sound. Even if you turn it off, still the sound vibrates. And when you're sort of lying down on the bed and watch YouTube video or something, it just vibrates at the back, which wasn't the case in Note 8. So I'm still getting used to it. Not a huge point. It's something that I noticed, and each time I don't particularly like it. So of course there are a lot more good sides that I like about this phone. I do upgrade every even number, and each time I see a huge improvement, which makes me feel like money well spent. And I actually want to really get out and test out videos, but the weather has been absolutely terrible in Hong Kong. I'm actually going to do more testing with the camera, what you can do with the videos, and compare it with different devices that I own. So please stay tuned and do subscribe and like this video, and see you!